Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S8. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Firstly, let's go to settings, tap on display, and here we've got all settings for our display. At the beginning we can change brightness level, or turn on or off adaptive brightness. Next we can turn on or off blue light filter and night mode. Here we can change screen mode, and next we can change font size and style. Here we can set screen zoom and screen resolution. In full screen apps we can select apps that are going to work in full screen mode. Also we got screen timeout. We can set it between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. In home screen, we can adjust our home screen. In edge screen, we can turn on or off edge panels and edge lighting. Also, we can turn on easy mode and adjust our navigation bar. Last things are accidental touch protection and screensaver. And that's all for our display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.